The real cost of manual cleaning validation. Manual cleaning validation does not just slow changeovers. It can also create the conditions for data gaps, inconsistent decisions, and greater compliance risk. Here is the real cost. Delays in cleaning validation can spill into documentation quality, traceability, and inspection readiness. When cleaning validation is manual, teams spend more time on calculations, document handling, and follow-up activities. That slows execution and makes it harder to maintain a complete audit-ready record. A digital, risk-based model helps by automating worst-case assessments, MACO calculations, residual limit determination, and protocol generation. It also gives teams real-time visibility into schedules, execution, and trends. The result is faster cycle times, stronger consistency, and cleaner data trails for inspections and decision-making. See how ValGenesis helps teams bring governed control to cleaning validation. Visit ValGenesis.com.